Alright everybody, welcome to Maple Syrup Cycling. Today we're going to be unboxing a Polygon Siskiu T8 2026. Brand new model. Let's get into it. Here's the box. Seat. Comes equipped with a dropper. This is how it comes out of the box. We'll just get some ties removed and get this bike up on the stand. See you in a minute. Okay, one of the most critical things if you're unboxing one of these bikes is actually attaching the dropper seat post. The reason for that is this year they made the dropper internally routed, which if you look right here, it's a very steep angle, so it's not really ideal, and basically you need to make sure that you get enough cable and enough tension. So what we've seen is these bikes coming out of the box, you just need to be extra careful with the dropper for this. Okay, we have that seated in there now. Now when installing it, it's very important that you pull. As you push cable in, you need to pull. And there. Perfect. We'll just get this seat tightened and then we'll put the bike on the stand. Just quickly show you guys this. This is what's in the accessory box here. So you basically have your brake bolts, a couple of cable bumpers, some metal pedals. It does come with a little multi-tool, and then some information about the shocks and stuff like that for this bike. Okay. Okay, quick unpacking here. Some tie straps to keep the bars in place. They're doing this in a real nice kind of a charcoal gray color into black. And we'll check back once we get all the packaging off. Okay, this bike is fully built now. So this is a Polygon Siskiu T8. Let's just start at the back here. It comes with Maxxis Dissector tires. Dior SLX drivetrain. It's 12-speed. Dior front. Got a small front chain ring. 32 tooth. Nice looking linkage. Fox float in the middle. Dropper post equipped, full Fox up front, MT 420 4-piston brakes all the way around, Physique alpaca seat. This is a really nice build. This bike off the shelf, it's tubeless ready as well. 180 in the front, 180 in the rear for the discs. And this bike is retailing in Canada for $27.99. MEC is the main distributor, is the only distributor actually for Polygon in Canada. They also cover their road bikes, gravel bikes, and their mountain bikes, but this is a really good option if you're looking to get in. You know, similar spec in a Giant or a Trek, you're going to be, you know, closer to 4,000. And then you also get the you know, quite a bit of value for a decent dollar amount on this bike. Sorry, just wanted to make one correction. $29.99.95 is what this bike retails for in Canada. Got 170 mil dropper on the large and extra large, 150 mil on the small and medium. There's some of the specs. Again, great value. Comes in two colorways, chameleon green or charcoal. Thanks everybody, have a good day.